Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic the plan communication management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, plan communication management is the process of developing an appropriate approach and plan for project communication activities based on the information needs of each stakeholder or group, available organizational assets, and the needs of the project. The key benefit of this process is a documented approach to effectively and efficiently engage stakeholders by presenting relevant information in a timely manner. An effective communication engagement plan that recognizes the diverse information needs of the project stakeholder is developed early in the project lifecycle. It should be reviewed regularly, admitted and modified when necessary when the stakeholder community changes or at the start of each new project phase. Okay, now we shall discuss about the input for this process. The first input is the project charter. Project charter is basically identifies the key stakeholder list. It may also contain information about the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholder. Project management plan, which includes the resource management plan, which provides guidance on how team resources will be categorized, allocated, managed, and released. Team members and groups may have communication requirements that should be identified in the communication management plan. Next is the stakeholder engagement plan, which identifies the management strategies required to effectively engage stakeholders. These strategies are often fulfilled via communication. Then project documents, which includes the requirement documentation. Requirement documentation can include project stakeholder communication, then a stakeholder register. The stakeholder register is used to plan communication activities with stakeholders. Next are the enterprise environmental factor and the organizational process assets, which are the other inputs. Now the tools. The first tool is the expert judgment. Expertise should be considered from individuals or group with a specialized knowledge or training. Then the communication technology and communication requirement analysis. Friend, communication requirement analysis basically analysis of communication requirements determine the information needs of the project stakeholder. These requirements are defined by combining the type and format of information needed with an analysis of the value of that information. If we talk about communication technologies, which are the methods used to transfer information among project stakeholders, may vary significantly. Common methods used for information exchange and collaboration include conversations, meetings, written documentation, databases, social media, and websites. Communication models. Communication models can represent the communication process in its most basic linear form, sender and receiver, in a more interactive form that encompasses the additional element of feedback, sender, receiver, and feedback, or in a more complex model that incorporates the human elements of the sender or receiver and attempts to show the complexity of any communication that involve people. The other tools are the communication like the data representation. Data representation is basically technique that can be used for this process include but is not limited to a stakeholder engagement assessment matrix. Other are communication models, interpersonal team skills, and meetings. These are also the tools for plan communication. The output of this process, there are three output of this process. First one is the communication management plan. The communication management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes the how project communication will be planned, structured, implemented, and monitored for effectiveness. Next is the project management plan updates. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via change request. Components that may require a change request for the project management plan will be included here. Project documents update. Project documents like the documents of project will be updated here. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.